everyone, I'm Victoria and welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to share with you the Dyson Supersonic Flyaway attachment. But before anything, this is not a paid or a sponsored ad. I just really want to share with you why I love it so much, why I keep using it, and why I can't live without it anymore. Before we begin, I want to show you the Flyaway attachment. It's this one. So how do you use this? This is a Dyson Supersonic blow dryer. You just have to snap it like that. Get a portion of your hair, position it like this, and drag it down. Get another portion of your hair, position it like this, and just drag it down. And for the inner part of my hair, just do it like this. However, if you have medium to thick hair, you can portion your hair like this. And you start with the bottom part of your hair and then work your way through until you finish your entire hair. But my hair is fine and it's naturally straight, so I feel like I can just get away with just like using it like this and not sectioning my hair, just so I feel like I save more time. Now for the settings, I use the level 1 heat, and for the one I use the level 2. But if you have thicker hair or coarse hair, you can do level 2 or level 3. It's going to be more effective, but I just feel like I should just use the level 1 because I have hair extensions and my hair is naturally straight. For the one, I'll just use the level 2. Before you expose your hair to any heat, make sure that you protect it with any heat protector spray. And for me, I use the Siri Expert Color 10-in-1. My hair is bleached and it's blonde, so I have to make sure that I use heat protector spray. And for me, I'm using the one that has the color, so it preserves the color of my hair. I usually just spray it all over my hair. Make sure it's protected. So before we use it, I just want to show you my current hair situation. Alright, can you see it? Here's a closer look. So yeah, enough about all of that. I think it's time to try this one out. Alright, so this is my hair after using the Dyson Flyaway attachment. It's very straight. It's bouncy, it's silky, it just feels like my hair has just more life to it. I mean, look at that. Like, I can comb my hair through. It feels smooth, silky, and it's so soft. And now you know why I love it so much and why I can't live without it. I use this one after blow drying my hair just so my hair just feels sleek and just straight, and then I curl my hair after, so my curls like more manageable. And if there's still some frizz going on and some flyaway, I use the Dyson Flyaway attachment even after curling my hair. Now, is this look achievable without the use of the Dyson Flyaway attachment? Honestly, yes, you can use a straightener, and you can also use a blow dryer and that round brush to get this bouncy, sleek look. However, that means that you have to expose your hair directly to the heat of the blow dryer and the straightener. As a result, I feel like it would damage your hair more. But at the same time, I feel like it takes so much more time to blow dry it and to straighten it. Whereas compared to this one, honestly, it just took me less than 5 minutes to do everything. So it saves me time. I feel like my hair is not exposed to that much heat. And at the same time, if you have thicker hair and coarse hair, you know how you can't get like this part of your hair with a straightener? But with this one, you can just directly place it like that. So you can work on from the roots up to this part of your hair where the straightener can't really reach. So overall, I really recommend this product and I love it so much. Ever since I got it, I've been using it every day right after blow drying my hair. If you already have the Dyson Supersonic, you can get the Flyaway attachment on the Dyson website. However, I read on the Dyson Hair Instagram comments that this is not yet widely available. Since I saw this on the Dyson Hair Instagram, I've been searching for it for weeks and weeks, and honestly, it wasn't available anywhere but Australia. But Dyson Australia doesn't ship to New Zealand, so I had to keep searching. Finally, it was available on Adore Beauty, and I just couldn't help myself but order it right away. And yeah, I'm just so happy that I finally have this product, and I'm just so glad to share with you all that this product is really amazing. It's the newest technology of Dyson, and I'm really in love with it, and I can't live without it anymore. I mean, I would just love my hair to look like this all the time. So yeah, let me know what you think about this Dyson Flyaway attachment. If you have any questions, just comment down below or message me on my Instagram. And thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please click thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned for my next video.